Good day guys. So allow me to demonstrate to you about our data mining class. So this is a demonstration of my existing research publication on depression among public school teachers in the Philippines. So first, we need to install the following packages, and we need to perform data mining analytics. Previously, I've already installed these packages, but on your end, you can simply install this by clicking Control Enter. Okay, so in our case, we just need to comment this out, or rather, we'll just skip this command executing these commands. So we'll just proceed to loading all our libraries. Data analytics in the study about depression. So just perform Control Enter. Okay, so just to make sure that everything's being loaded, so it'll appear the console. Okay, so load all the libraries. Okay, now so we have our here codes already tested to perform on our depression study. Okay, so we do have here a demo. So this is our working directory, so which means that we need to access the files here in this particular location. So it's located here. So these are my files before depression, then for demonstration purposes. Okay, so this is the file that we're going to use. Okay, so just click Control Enter. Okay, so right now we're in the working directory of the depression under demo folder. Okay, so we need to access the file. So notice here that we're able to get the data depression. Contains 54 objects having 4 variables, so we can actually take a look at the table. So these are the depression, the date, the source, the title, the text. So if you like to open this up, you can open this Excel. So you can actually view that these are also in 4 columns. Okay, so just need to wait a little bit. Okay, so these are the 4 columns about the date, the source, the title, then the text. So those were the columns identified. So if you notice, similar are being identified also by the RStudio. Okay, so already updated. Now, we need to convert the depression. We get the variable here, text, which means we just need to capture only the data, particularly the column number 4, which are the text. So we need to convert this into docs. We assign a variable here, docs, which pertains to our corpus document that will be utilized for further data analysis. Okay, so just Control Enter here. So already have loaded docs. Now click to view the docs. These are the values located in your environment. So it contains about an object noted from the range about 1 to 54. Also like to view the docs, you can actually highlight docs, then push Control Enter. Okay, so you will notice about representing your console, you can actually view the value here. So these are the values that the RStudio were able to capture. Okay, so we're going to build our corpus document. So we apply this code, corpus vector source docs. Okay, so already the corpus document. Then to lower. So these are actually the codes already that have been already tested earlier prior to recording this demonstration. Then we need to perform data cleaning. So the purpose of having data cleaning is that we need to remove all numbers that are identified in the text. So we're going to perform later sentiment analysis and logic analysis So remove the number of punctuations. Okay. Then we need to remove the extra spaces between paragraphs. Then the stop words. So some of the stop words will be removed as well. Okay, then the URL addresses such as HTTP will be removed from the text. There are. Okay, the remove URL. Then we can actually perform inspect to notice if there were already changes been carried out. So you'll notice here, guys, based on the console, there is no number already. So wala siyang number. Then we can actually remove some words here that will not be included, such as the scan, star, set. Okay. So we can actually remove those words. So these were the words that have been removed from my documents. So these are my script actually performing the mental depression study in my previous publication. So we can actually pattern from this algorithm. Then after removing all the words, replacing those words such as ngunit, gamitin, DepEd, what else, pagkakataon, sana, tsakin. So those words are being removed due to author's perspective that they are not, they do not contribute much in the paper. Okay, so check over that. Okay, so we continue. Then we can actually also replace words according to its pattern. So these are all. So we can replace academic to academic. So we can actually check the pattern, then replace those words to particular their origin, particular words, such as teachers, teacher. Teacher, so we can replace those. Okay, then assuming that we're able to clean our document, so we can actually do inspect here. So assuming that we're done already with our data cleaning, now we're now ready to perform descriptive statistics, or what we call a term document metrics. Then we show variable here, TDM. So this is how we show variable. So it's a term document metrics, assuming these are the corpus document docs. So notice we actually call the docs. Okay? So we already done also the text mining. So under text mining, we're able to place words or places, and we're able to actually to remove words that are of no use in the write-up or study. So we perform term document metrics or TDM. Okay, then issue the variable, particular metrics. So we'll create a metrics now. So right now we already have a large matrix containing 252,018 elements here, having a particular data 2.2 MB. So this is our third document matrix right now, and we can actually see the value of our particular term document matrix into RS or result set. Then we can actually display this, or we can actually sort according to particular number, say decreasing. Okay, so there is now the value. Then we can actually save this in a particular CSV file. So we can actually do, okay, just write this. Then, sir, where can we check if it's already been saved? So the best way to do this is to access a folder located here. Then now there it is. So we already have the depression TDM practice. So call this practice because some sort of legislation call it all those skills in data analysis. Okay, so we do agree the top terms pertaining to health, mental, teachers, suicide, school depression. So these are the terms to be in mind from those articles listed in the depression documents. Okay, so we continue. Now we can actually perform since we already have the data, and the good thing about data analysis, because we're talking about data analysis, so we should be able to provide a visualization, what we call data visualization. So now create the paragraph. So we just have this into a subset. So an RS of 50 meaning we should recommend here that only those terms that have frequency of greater than 50. Okay, so that is what we should by subset. Then we can show a bar plot. Okay, good. There it is, the bar plot. So we can actually see the terms that are leading in terms of our term document metrics. It indicates about the health, mental, teachers. So we can actually save this into JPEG format of what particular. So we can save this into PNG. So just it as JPEG, 100% quality. Then we can call this as bar plot. It's loading now. The other depression, so we can call this as bar plot 1. Okay. We'll just call this depression. Okay, so now we're able to capture. So this is our first visualization about performing a term document metrics. Okay, we can also perform another method of visualization by applying the wordcloud. So we can actually see a greater perspective of our data. So let's see the wordcloud. So it will take about a minute. Okay, so by utilizing a wordcloud, you will notice that the centermost part of the wordcloud corresponds to the frequency actually of our term document metrics. So you will notice here that it indicates about the mental health, the teachers, the students, education, and we can actually run again. We like to see another visualization. So it's another way of presenting. So the good thing about wordcloud is it's actually a randomized presentation of your data. So kanina, the help was actually horizontal, but we can try again with another. So yun, this is much better now for me kasi I do want to capture the mental health. So a while ago it talks about parang yung order niya kasi nandun sa health and mental, but right now it's a better illustration for me about mental health, teachers, then due to mental health, some are committing suicide, due to school works, education, the people, the media support. So these are the leading terms, and these are the topics that we can get, we can capture. And by looking at this visualization, we can see that there's really a need for teachers at school to have these mental health issues needs to be addressed. Okay, so the word cloud depression. So already about the descriptive statistics, depression, the barplot, and the word cloud. This demonstration will just about the descriptive statistics. Then actually guys, you can actually perform these commands utilizing other data sets also. You can perform barplot and word cloud about those particular documents. Okay, so we'll stop here, and if you have questions or comments, you can just comment below then. And also don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel also. Okay, so just call it a good day, and thank you for coming guys.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a positive comment, like, share and subscribe.